is gonna go in here. So I've noticed that the brick lane is not perfectly straight, and that's okay because I'm not a professional, and all it's going to do is hold it. And besides, this is Japan, earthquake country. Get a nice little size 3 earthquake or size 4, it'll just tumble down. Then I rebuild it straight. Hey, good experience. I can do fences and decks. That's the easy stuff. This was not so easy, but only took a total of about 3-4 hours. Nice. Anyway, that's about it for this how-to, my very first ever how-to. And right, see you later.